Alaikum. Back to our pre-handover tour in Cennet Yalova project as we promised. Today we have a very special unit, a 3+1, 100 meters squared, an ideal unit for investment. Let's take a closer look. You're welcome. Unit G3. This unit is in the ground floor, 3+1, first, second, third bedroom. As we can see, the bathroom is on the end of corridor, which gives it some privacy. At the same time, it's not far from the front door. This right here is the master bedroom with its own bathroom. And of course with a side sea view. This unit is great for an investment. You can see the light coming from all the rooms. Well, we are in the winter, imagine in the summer. Of course it's going to be way more pleasing. Right here is the kitchen. As we can see, this is the standard that we hand over to our customer. Privileged with the side sea view, and last but not least, the main room. As you can see, the main room with this panoramic view. And I want to highlight some points that Cennet Yalova project, the spoiled child of Umran Turk, it might not be the biggest project in this region, but 100% it's the most special one, for a reason that the material has been used in this project almost the best you can find in the Turkish market. It's not only a commercial unit, it's not only a commercial project, it's a home to stay and to live and to enjoy the sea view. Still, we haven't finished yet. We saved the best for last. And afterward, we're gonna take you around the different amenities in this solid project, Cennet Yalova project. Please, stay tuned.